కీర్తిప్రియ, ఖమ్మం సిటీ కీర్తిప్రియ, సారీ కాలే కీర్తిప్రియ. మిగతా వాళ్ళు రెడీగా ఉండండి మా రెండో క్లాస్ వాళ్ళు. మహాన్విత, మన్విత అందరు రెడీగా ఉండండి. మహామాయ, పూజిత, మా పూజిత కూడా రెడీగా ఉండండి. ఛత్రపతి వచ్చాడా? ఛత్రపతి ఏం వాళ్ళు ఇంకా
Good evening, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Kale Kirti Priya. I am studying second class. Today I am very happy to stand here, share my dream with you. My dream is to become a teacher. I love my teachers because they teach us new things every day. A teacher is like a second parent who cares for us and makes learning fun. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher so that I can help children learn and become good people. Without teachers, we cannot become doctors, engineers, or even teachers. A teacher is a guide, a friend, and a hero. We should respect and thank our teachers because they make our future bright. That's why I want to be a teacher when I grow up. Thank you. Jai Bharat.
థ్యాంక్ యూ కీర్తిప్రియ. ఒక్కసారి చప్పట్లు గట్టిగా. అంత చిన్న పిల్లలు మీ యొక్క కర్తవ్యాల మధ్య వాళ్ళని ఆస్వాదించండి. తదుపరి మన్విత.
Good evening everyone. My name is Manvita. I am studying second class. Today I am very happy to share my dream is to become a farmer. A farmer is a very important person. Without farmers, we have no food to eat. That's why I want to become a farmer. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మన్విత. తదుపరి పూజిత.
Good evening everyone. My name is Poosta. I am studying second class. Today I am very happy to share my dream is to become an engineer. An engineer is a person who builds roads, bridges and houses. An engineer also make cars, computers and buildings. I want to be an engineer so that I can create new things. I will work hard to build strong roads and safe roads. An engineer is smart and creative. That's why I want to become an engineer. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
థ్యాంక్ యూ పూజిత. తదుపరి మహాన్విత.
Good evening everyone. My name, respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. My name is K. Mahanvita. I am studying second class. Today I am happy to share my dream with you. My dream is to become a police. A police is a very important person. They protect people, catch bad people and keep our society safe. I want to become a police so that I can help people stop crimes. I will be brave, honest and always do my duty. A police is a real hero. That's why I want to become a police. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మహాన్విత. తదుపరి మా రెండో క్లాస్ చిన్నారి నైనిక.
Good evening everyone. Respected dignitaries, teachers, parents and my dear friends. become a collector. A collector is a very important person in a district. They work hard to make our place better. They take care of roads, schools, hospitals and many other things. They listen to people's problems and final solution. They also help ruinings, floods and other problems. I want to be a collector so that I can help poor people, make roads better and keep our surroundings clean. I want to make sure everyone in my district is happy and safe. A collector works very hard for the people. That's why I want to become a collector and share my country. Thank